Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ali Afrin binti Abdul Khalil, and today I will explain question 1 and question 3. For question 1, explain the meaning of differentiation in mathematics, then name 3 techniques of differentiation that you have learned in syllabus. So the meaning of differentiation is a process of finding a derivative. What is derivative? Derivative represents the rate of change or gradient of a curve at a certain point. For the techniques, we have 3, which are derivative of sums and differences, product rule, and quotient rule. Actually, we also have another technique for the differentiation, but since the question asks us to list 3, so just list 3 techniques only. Derivative of sums and differences is used when functions are added or subtracted. We differentiate each term separately. For example, y equals to x squared plus 3x. When we differentiate, it will become dy dx equal to 2x plus 3. So this is for the derivative of sums and differences techniques. For product rule, we use the formula. For product rule, it used when two functions are multiplied together. The formula is dy dx is equals to u dv dx plus v du dx. Or you can use another formula, which is dy dx u equals to u v prime plus v u prime. When you want to calculate an equation using a product rule technique, you can choose either this one or this one. And quotient rule also same goes to product rule, which have a formula also, but it used when one function is divided by another. So the formulas is dy dx is equals to v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. Or you can use another formula, the simplest one, dy dx is equals to vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. So this is these are my explanation for question 1.
For this equation, we can use product rule because we have two functions multiplied together, 5x power of 3 and e power 2 cos x. And firstly, step 1 is identify u and v, which is u is 5x power of 3 and v is e power of cos x. And then we must differentiate u prime and v prime, which is u is 5 multiplied by power of 3 become 15x power of 2. And then for the v prime, we must use chain rule to differentiate, which is already have in formula. E power of cos x become e power of cos x times negative sin x, which is negative sin x in formula. And then step 3 is substitute all the equation into formula using product rule. Dy dx equal to u prime v plus u v prime, and then it becomes dy dx equal to 50x power of 2 times e power of cos x plus 5x power of 3 times e to the power of cos x times negative sign. And lastly, we must simplify equation, which is become dy dx equal to 5x power of 2 times e to the power of cos x times 3 negative x sin x. For this equation, we can use the logarithm law. Firstly, step 1, we need to simplify. The rule is ln of a over b equals ln a minus ln b. So it becomes fx equal ln 5x minus ln sin 2x. For step 2, differentiate each term of fx. First term, d over dx of ln 5x equal 1 over 5x multiplied by 5. Then we get 1 over x. For the second terms, we use the chain rule. D over dx of ln sin 2x equal 1 over sin 2x multiplied by 2 cos 2x. Then we use the trigonometry identity. Cos theta over sin theta equals cot theta. So this become 2 cos 2x over sin 2x, which is equal to cot 2x. Lastly, step 3, substitute all the value back. We get the final answer, f prime of x equal 1 over x minus 2 cot 2x.
Okay, so for question 3, we are given the equation y sin 2x minus ln 2y equals to 2x squared plus 3. Find dy dx using implicit differentiation. So first step, we have to separate all these terms into 3, which is a, b, c. So for a, d dx y sin 2x, we can use this as the product rule. since we know that two functions are multiplied together. So for this step, we have to do like this. Let u equals to y, v equals to sine 2x, and then we differentiate the u, or we use u prime, become dy dx, and we differentiate v, become v prime equals to cos 2x. But why we have to put 2 in front of cos when we put all this equation into this product rule formula is because 2x is inside the sine function. We can use this the chain rule. So when we use the chain rule, it will become 2 cos 2x. So u prime v plus uv prime is the product rule formula that I already explained to you in equation 1. So I just put all this equation into this product formula, so it becomes sin 2x dy dx plus y plus bracket 2 cos 2x. So for the second step, we can also use this as the chain rule for ln 2y. So first step, ln will become 1 over 2y multiplied by 2 dy dx. So this 2 we can cancel out, so it becomes 1 over y dy dx. For the third step, we have to differentiate this one. So when we differentiate 2x square plus 3, it will become 4x. So this one is same like the first technique, which is derivative of sums and differences. This one technique also I already explained to you in the question 1. So to get the final answer, we have to combine all the equation using the implicit differentiation way, which is 2y cos 2x plus sin 2x dy dx minus 1 over y dy dx. This arrangement of this equation is same like the initial one. So when we get the 2y cos 2x, actually we expand this one. So since we have the same terms in this equation, we can simplify, which is become sin 2x minus 1 over y bracket dy dx. So for 2y cos 2x, we have to move on the right side, so it will become 4x minus 2y cos 2x. So to get the dy dx, we have to move sin 2x minus 1 over y, become like this, 4x minus 2y cos 2x over sin 2x minus 1 over y. So this is the final answer.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Jamil Raseh. So here I am will explain to you for a question 4. For question 4, it said 4 root of 15.98 minus 2 over square root 50.98 correct to 3 decimal places. So we need to use linear approximation to estimate this value. For step 1, we can write fx minus x 1 over 4 minus 2x power negative 1 over 2. For 15.98, we should replace them with x word. So that's why we get x 1 over 4 minus 2x negative 1 over 2. We change the form. For step 2, f prime x, we differentiate it to 1 over 4x, the power of negative 3 over 4, plus x, the power of negative 3 over 2. And we get 1 over 4x, the power of 3 over 4, plus 1 over x, the power of 3 over 2. For step 3, the question already give the value 15.98. So we have to choose the value. If we can see what value we should choose, we can write a real number line. So here I choose 16, and after that we should minus them, the given value minus chosen value, so we get negative 0.02. So we still here at the step 3, and after that we should differentiate using the given in the book. Differentiate df minus f prime x multiple with the amount of we have minus with the given value and chosen value. So as we see here, f prime x we already got 1 over 4x, the power of 3 minus 4. So as we see here, we already got 4 prime x which is 1 over 4x the power of 3 over 4 plus 1 over x the power of 3 over 2. So we sub that in this differential formula f prime x. We sub 1 over 4 x, we replace with 16 which we got from the chosen value, plus 1 over 16, replace that x, the power of 3 over 2, and we multiply it by the given value, the amount given value minus chosen value, so we already got negative 0.02, and after that we got the answer negative 0.000009765. For the step 4, lastly, we use the linear approximation formula, which is x minus fx initial plus differentials, which is df. Fx initial we got from the step 1, which is x the power of 1 over 4 minus 2x the power of negative 1 over 2. So we sub it in this formula for fx initial, and the x we replace with 16, which we just got from the chosen value from the step 3. So in 16 the power of 1 over 4 minus 2, we replace x 16 and the power of negative 1 over 2. Then we plus with the differential we got from the step 3 also, negative 0.000009765. So we solve it in the bracket first, which we got 3 over 2 minus 0.000009765. So the last answer we got is 1.499, which is in 3 decimal places like the question asked. So this is all my explanation for question 4. So thank you.